Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix auto brightness not working on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, first of all, let's simply check if we have our auto brightness enabled. We can easily do that by heading into the settings, scrolling down a little and entering display. And in here, right under brightness level, we should see adaptive brightness. If you have this disabled, then this means that auto brightness feature will be disabled and will just no longer work. So let's make sure it's enabled. And as you can see, okay, you could probably see that, but our brightness just went up, which is quite cool. So, however, if it's not working, which is also very possible, there is one thing you can actually do, and it's simply rebooting your device. Seriously, all you want to do is just expand your control center twice, and then press the little power icon in the bottom right corner, and then hit restart, and now your phone is restarting. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does help. Whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including the sensors right here that are responsible for detecting the level of brightness around you. And also, I actually forgot to mention, but you can also just always, take some sort of microfiber cloth and make a little grub, just clean it very well to make sure that it's clean and can detect the levels of darkness pretty accurately. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.